Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting the Polaris RZR check engine light is a common task for owners. This light indicates that the vehicle computer has detected a fault. First, you must identify the problem. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Use the mode button to scroll through the display until you see the diagnostic code. Write this number down to look up the specific error in your manual. Sometimes the light stays on after a minor glitch. You can try a simple power cycle. Turn the ignition key on and off 3 times in a row. Leave it off for 10 seconds between each turn. This often clears temporary codes from the system memory. If that fails, try disconnecting the battery. Locate the battery under the seat or in the front compartment. Remove the negative terminal first. Wait for about 15 minutes. This allows the internal capacitors to drain completely. Reconnect the terminal and start the machine. Remember that resetting the light does not fix the actual mechanical problem. If a sensor is broken, the light will return quickly. Always inspect the air filter, spark plugs, and fuel system for damage. You can also use an OBD2 scanner with a Polaris adapter. Plug it into the diagnostic port. Select the Clear Codes option on the screen. This is the most professional way to handle the reset. These steps help keep your RZR running smoothly on the trails. Make sure to check for loose wires or bad sensors before you head out on your next long ride in the dirt. It is vital to maintain your machine properly.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.